12mm and 20mm. Which wheel spacer size is best for your BMW M3? Let's get it. BMW wheel spacers sit between the wheel hub and the wheel, pushing your tires outward. Benefits: a wider track width for better cornering, room for larger tires, and that rugged, both look with all love. Bonus wheel spacers are forged from aircraft-grade aluminum, CNC machine for precision, and include hub-centric rings for perfect fit. But size matters. Let's compare. Starting with the 12mm wheel spacers, this gives a subtle but noticeable change, about 12mm of extra width per side. Perfect if you want a cleaner look without going to extreme. Now, the 20mm wheel spacers. This extra 8mm makes a versatile difference, giving them ready for anything like off-road. The wider stance adds stability on uneven terrain. Installations, the same of both sides. Clean the hub, both the spacer on, and plug to space. Cheap spacers, not worth the risk. Safety first. When choosing the safe wheel spacers, material selection can be very important. There are mainly steel and aluminum. Considering the strength and lightweight needs, aluminum is more suitable. Both 6061P6 and 007P6 are high-performance aluminum alloys. And forged aluminum spacers provide stronger impact resistance, less fatigue drag, longer service life range, and stronger corrosion resistance, much safer than those cheap testing spacers. The second factor is hub-centric. Hub-centric spacers ensure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel for a smooth and reliable ride. Bonus BMW M3 wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevel's fit the corresponding hub branch, eliminate any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since spacers are components that contact other parts, you need to tie the taller ones. So, which wins? If you are daily driving or want a conservative upgrade, go 12mm. If you are off-road focused and craft that blue look, 20mm is your jam. Drop a comment. Which size are you running?